Hey guys, Tony here. So I haven't talked about Hut 8 Mining or Riot or BitF in a while. These would be my crypto stock positions. They're basically leveraged on Bitcoin, right? If you buy crypto stocks, they're basically leveraging on crypto. I actually sold everything, right? I sold all of my Hut 8 Mining back here. So I actually bought a little bit of Hut 8 Mining, but I'm like, you know what? It was a bad decision. I actually bought it on November 15th, right? I actually ended up buying 1463, and then I sold it at 14571 really quick because it was actually a bad decision. Because I looked at the charts again and I'm like, holy crap, Bitcoin's gonna keep dropping. So I did sell like at $100 loss, but keep in mind that I initially bought into Hut 8 Mining with like I don't know, like 8 grand. So I made like four-ish, 5 grand-ish off of Hut 8 Mining. I did sell one call as well for Hut 8 Mining. I had three, I think. I sold one. Um, as soon as it hit like $14, I sold the call like the very first time. So I do not have any position. I do have an upcoming limit buy at 1110 for Riot. Let me see, where's Riot at. Riot again is dropping. I do think everything is going to keep dropping just because I am bearish on Bitcoin right now. I still have, I've got 4 contracts on Riot and I got that one share. And then for BitF, again, that was basically me taking profit. That was basically me taking profit on everything. For BitF, I think I had like 7,000 shares of Bitfarms. I sold 2,000 when Bitfarms hit $9. So I picked up, I think, like an extra, I don't know, a couple grand, I think, from Bitfarms. So I did take profit as soon as it hit as soon as it hit $9, but it was mostly based off of Bitcoin. Having right before it dropped, because I'm like, you know what, Bitcoin's gonna drop, but before it went from 66 down to like where it is now. So I did sell most of my shares of BitF, and right now I just have a limit buy for, I think, what is it? I think for Hut 8 Mining. I think I just have a limit buy for Hut 8 Mining. I think the limit buy is for at like 11 grand. Where is it? So 1,000 shares. So like 12 grand? I don't know. I don't know how much that is, but yeah, I do think Bitcoin's gonna keep dropping. I mean, I'll drop another TA and stuff. The one that I was actually looking at recently was Snap. So Snap is actually one that I was looking at playing. I know Snap for the most part is gonna keep dropping, but I think Leaps for like $70 wouldn't be a bad idea. But I have to look at the chart to see. I actually have an option down 36% because but again, therefore, December. So I want to see what happens by December for Snap. But I think Snap is at a good entry point. I want to see what's going on with Snap. Um, it looks like at the lows it was like at $53 where it's kind of headed right now, but we'll see. But yeah, for the most part, crypto stocks, I took like a nice solid position out would be right before Bitcoin dropped. But yeah, that was basically it. I mean, I told everybody on my Patreon and stuff. Sometimes I'm a little bit late on YouTube, but I always tell my Patreon or like our Telegram group if certain things. It's just easier to say it there instead of making a whole video. But yeah, just a quick update. I hope everybody else is not over leveraged and not and taking profit at least in certain spots. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. And if you guys want me to do a TA on anything, just put it down on the comments below. I will be. I've been super busy lately, so I haven't been able to really make any videos. I only made like one video yesterday. I think it was on the Crypto.com news and Staples Center converting their name into Crypto.com. Why I think it's a good idea. And why you want to see that video? It's like the last video I made, so you can literally just go into my channel and watch it there. But yeah, that's basically it. Just a quick update. Took a couple I think like 10, 14,000 in profit, and then just holding the rest of it right now. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.